Hi guys, Sam here with entrepreneurschool.io, and in this lecture I'm going to teach you how you can find YouTube's treasure trove of Creative Commons videos. These are videos that you're free to use in your own projects. The only catch being that YouTube may run the occasional ad in order to cover the costs and provide some funding to the original creator. So providing it's not a complete competing product, this can be very desirable for a test video before you go ahead and film your actual video for your product potentially in the future. Or if it's just a low value product, you might just put up with having the occasional ad. YouTube doesn't run them very common on the videos. I have actually tried these videos multiple times, and the ads are very uncommon unless there is a piece of well-known music attached to the video. Then you can guarantee an ad pretty much every time, so that is important to note. What we're going to do is we're simply going to click the upload button again, even though we have nothing to upload, and wait for that to load. Now, normally if we had a video to upload, we will click here, but because we do not have a video to upload, we're going to go down to the video editor down the bottom here. That is this pair of scissors here. So here is where you live stream. If you want to live stream, you can make a photo slideshow, or you can use a video editor. So we want the video editor, and we're just going to click the edit button. Bam, now we are in the video editor, and what you'll notice here is your existing videos will be here. However, if you want to get some Creative Commons videos, you can go to this CC button here and click. Now this is YouTube's treasure trove of Creative Commons videos. So as you will notice, lots of videos here. If you go and run a search, say for I like trains, so I might type in train, and bam, we've got tons of videos on trains, and these just keep loading providing you keep scrolling down. So the more specific search you put in, the more chance you've got of getting the video that you desire. However, you'll notice these videos are 4 minutes long, 3 minutes long, 2 minutes long, 7 minutes long. So these are pretty full-on and intense videos. So they're perfect for use in most projects. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump a video in. This looks like maybe this one. This looks like a good video. So I can click it once and then it will play. So I'm doing that now. Now this is far from the most ideal video.
It was still warm and not quite as sunny, and again...
Okay, so it looks like this one is a documentary of some description that has been marked with a Creative Commons license. So what I can do is I just tapped it to play. I can do that to any of these videos if I just click them once. YouTube will play, if I click it once, YouTube will play a little sample of the video. If I want to use it in my project, I simply grab it and jump it down onto the timeline. So there we go, it is now on the timeline down there. And we'll look at how we can go ahead and remove things like the audio later on in this course. But it is pretty simple. You just go to the audio icon and then drop it down, and then you can put your own audio in, which can be absolutely amazing. So I've now introduced you to YouTube's Creative Commons video arsenal. So in order to get out of this menu, if you want to go look for another Creative Commons video, you just simply click the close button, and then you're back to the big long list of YouTube Creative Commons videos. So there is literally so many of them here. You can get them for every single topic, maybe a plane. There we go, and you've got lots of videos of, say, remote control planes, and these are really, really useful for if you've got a product to sell, because you can use these videos in order to create professional grade advertisements relatively cheaply. Just pretty much say I would spend about an hour to 2 hours making a video for each of my products, and it is a great way to drive more sales on your own store, or say on an Amazon store, for example. So you've then got all these other little buttons here, what we'll look at later on, such as music, photos, text, which can be very, very useful, especially at the end of the video in order to sell it. So the main highlight of this lecture was the YouTube's Creative Commons licensing, which is really, really amazing for what you get. So you've got videos what you can use for free in your own project. So in the next lecture, we're going to be making a complete video using Creative Commons videos.